Hi, and welcome to Talking Sense. I was going to start this video today talking about balance. You know, we always talk about balance, work-life balance. There should be a balance between your needs and your wants. That was the direction that I was going to go, but I'm going to shift it a little bit. We want everything pre-packaged. We want as little problems in our lives as possible. We want solutions and no questions. We want it easy, and in fact we pay for easy. We pay for convenience. I think about all the mobile apps that we have and even like money transfer things on our phones that give us a lot of convenience, and we don't realize that we're paying for it. Those who are in business get it. You know why? Because they're saying, how can we make everybody else's life as easy as possible? And in doing so, they are making their own lives probably more problematic. And when I say problematic, I mean in that they're filled with problems to which they're trying to find solutions. And that's why you find that most of the wealthiest people in this world are entrepreneurs of some kind, because they're solving problems. I know that that's what you're looking for, because many times I've looked for it myself. I've looked for, you know, in our classes I'm always asked, so which share should we buy? Not how do shares work, or how can I get involved, or how can I practice, but no, tell me which, if I go to the stock exchange, which company should I become a part of? Not how do I assess a company if it's a good investment or not. Come to the real estate sessions that we run at Centonomy, and people will always ask, so where are we buying land? And you see us moving. Whenever there's a big move to Machakos area, everyone is there buying. Even if you can find a 50 by 50, you're going to buy that. Why? Because everyone is going there, and apparently that's where the growth is happening. Not that that's not strategic, it's just that you have no agency in that decision. We want everything pre-packaged. But I tell you, there is no wealth in that space. The wealth is found when you begin to take control of your own life and begin to make good decisions towards what you want. If you learn the principle, then you can apply it in whatever space you want. That's how you make wealth. It's not about coming and being told, oh, go in this direction, go in this direction. No. It's about deciding for yourself with the tools that you can find, which is the right way for me. I know it's kind of been a bit different this time around, more motivational, I guess. But you know what the truth is? The mathematics of wealth creation is simple. If you spend less than you earn, you'll be growing and you'll get to the place that you want to be. But you must understand the why and the how. That's all you need to know. So I hope you'll sign up for the classes that we have, and I hope that you'll be able to join us here at Centonomy, because we are on a mission to shift your mindset so that you can create wealth and live abundantly. We have many problems we're trying to solve for you, so that you can have a few more problems to solve for yourself. See you later. Check back Centonomy on YouTube, Centonomy on Facebook, all social media, and our website, centonomy.com. See you later.